Times of where I'm coming from, like a ship getting tossed inside a maelstrom, like I'm mad at the door, won't have my welcome, and I'm tattered and free. I've been on and off the bottle like it was a tea, wasting away till all my bones know me, burnt out and melting down into my seat. I didn't know how the game was played. Now I'm doing revolution, want my victory, emancipate myself from mental slavery, changing right now, it's an emergency, got no time left to be free. Poison into medicine, work on my heart again, reach out to a friend. Poison into medicine, got no time to waste, I was born to win, born to win, born to win, born to win. I'm sorry, my friend, all apologies. Sometimes I feel like I'm my own worst enemy. Disregarded you after you nurtured me, and it makes no sense at all. Drew party lines and mounted my defense, strung out on anger and on ignorance, revolted hard against my common sense, and so began the fall. Now it's many in body but one in mind, no longer being led by the blind. Turns out inner peace ain't really hard to find, but only if you try. Poison into medicine, work on my heart again, reach out to a friend. Poison into medicine, got no time to waste, I was born to win, born to win, born to win, born to win. Poison into medicine, work on my heart again, reach out to a friend. Poison into medicine, got no time to